What'd you do now? Bitch?
He's just like, where the fuck did I go?
Yeah, we need a stronger one. I think I'm gonna blow like
enough.
I think I'm gonna blow like a $200 on a really strong like laser. Just it'll be a waste of money. It'll be so.
Make Rue do
The
it.
one that burns stuff.
The one that that you see the beam. It's like a huge line. You know what I mean?
think they wouldn't like that.
Yeah, it'd be too strong, but it'd be cool. I don't give a fuck. You just like electric show when you're high.
When you what?
Wait, what's on?
When you're high.
Put it around his crotch. Good luck, Nick.
Yeah, look, you won't touch it. Wow, how funny is that? Look, they won't get it.
They just like, they ignore it.
That's because I'm their daddy.
I'm their daddy.
Look, they're getting it. That's pretty funny.
Now put it on the carpet. In front of the red one.
Make him climb up the wall. Thomas.
Look, he's looking at it. He doesn't do the.
Wait, make him climb up the wall over there.
Just do the wall right there. So
No,
they can actually
Thomas.
see it. They
Tom.
can't see it over there, Nick. It's
No,
not bright
no,
enough.
the dark spot, look.
I know. The laser's not strong enough.
Yeah, look, they don't understand that I have it.
Make him climb up the wall.
You ran into the door, can you imagine?
Shut my door.
They could shut the door.
Shut my door. Shut my door. Shut my door. You just get it.
Come on.
That could be your automated door shutter.
There you go. Look at laser fire. It's so smart. Dude, do it. Come on.
Just punch the door.
And that way.
He's like, you
Okay,
suck.
you having fun? Oh yes.
Can you go?
Yes. Yes. Yay, kitty. All right, now open it.
Now
Now open
let
it.
it
Open it. Oh.
What are we watching?
That's what I said when I walked in here. I was like, what the fuck are you watching, Tom?
It's Mousetrap. Get it? She wants to shut the door. Shut the door. Are you having fun, kitty? Oh, you are. Oh, interesting. Shut the door. Shut the door. Yes, you're almost there. One.
Keep it still.
Why don't they go for the door? It's fine. They don't go for certain stuff. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, come on!
Yeah, I told her to shut the door. Look, open the door.
The red one shut the door.
Shut the door, look. Look. Oh, I think they're lazy now.
Tired.
Yeah, that's true. Alright.
I recorded.
Nap time.
that much.